What's up, YouTube? Introduction time. So here it is, guys, my 2018 Iron 883 motorcycle. I purchased it in I think December 2017. Got a really good deal on the motorcycle. First things first that I did to this motorcycle was exhaust. I went with the Vance & Hines short shot staggered with the exhaust. I also did the fuel map, Vance & Hines FP3. For the intake, I went with Arlinis big sucker intake. And after installing the exhaust, fuel map, and the intake, the bike handle is actually pretty good. It's pretty torquey, it's very responsive. I'd highly recommend this motorcycle for anyone who's interested in getting an iron. Let's cut some traffic. Sorry, buddy. It's warm out today too, it's like 82 degrees. Gonna do some highway riding right now so you guys get to see. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, give a thumbs up, hit the bell button for future videos. See, my bike's fairly new. I've already put 2,400 miles. There's a bucket around 80 miles an hour, 4th gear. Damn, so this is the iron on the highway. Nice, smooth. It's a little high on the RPM side. For all the bikes, just smooth and nimble. This is where the iron really stands out and shines when it comes to lane splitting. The exhaust gives you that extra confidence that it's loud, people will hear you. When I lane split, I'd rather keep the RPMs high, people hear me. I'm actually nice and fresh right now. I highly recommend a cooling vest. The vest that I'm using is the Bill cooling vest, and highly recommend you guys getting one for summer riding. It's right under my jacket and it's just letting in a lot of air, keeping me cool. Another thing that I did to my motorcycle was I added a Burley brand sissy bar. It's nice to ride with your honey behind you at times. I think the next step that I want to do to my iron is make it a 1200. The 883, it's strong, it's a strong motor, but I feel like I can go stronger. A couple things that I want to do also, I want to do some long distance rides. I want to try riding out to, you know, there's a lot of biker bars out in Arizona, a couple biker bars out in Nevada. Of course, there's biker bars here, which I've done, which I have to go again, for the fact that I've been having a lot of issues with audio on my GoPro, which I bought a new mic, should be coming in soon, and hopefully that resolves the issue. So a lot of traveling that I want to do. I also want to do reviews, you know, stuff that I put on the motorcycle, stuff that works, stuff that doesn't. I also want to personally visit all the Harley Davidson dealers. I purchased mine at Hudson Beach Harley Davidson. I personally like that dealer, and so first things first, I got to hit up all the Harley Davidson dealers here in Southern California. Off the top of my head, I know there's one in Glendale. I already mentioned Hudson Beach. There's Temecula, Riverside, Laidlaw's Harley Davidson, and Buena Park. And cool thing, guys, we're getting another spin-off show of Sons of Anarchy. The Mayan show's coming on. I'm kind of excited for it. It's part of the reasons why I got a Harley Davidson. No, I did not get a Harley Davidson to join an MC. Remember, guys, split with caution. You got a lot of guys here that love breaking these double yellow lines. California's legal for us to split on that, so this is why I do it. So as I mentioned earlier, I bought this motorcycle brand new. You can get a good deal on one used. Reason why I got one new personally, because like I said, everything was good. The money was right, payment was right, credit was right, most importantly, it's a key factor. Plus, got a warranty. Mechanically inclined, never worked on motorcycles though, so I'm in that learning process. So I like the fact that I can hit the rev limiters all day. If something breaks, just take it to the dealer. Now once my warranty's up, that's when I'll pretty much get my hands dirty. But till then, just let the dealer take care of it. Oh, that's it for this episode. I am almost at my destination. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for future episodes, and for those that haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and like. What's up, guys?